Last time I have given some information about the great banyan tree. Today we will see the reading and explanation part of this lesson. Okay? Students, there is a boy whose name is Sam. In this lesson, he is telling about a place, Shivpur, where his uncle and aunt live, and some interesting facts about a place, Shivpur. So let's start. I am Sam. My aunt and uncle live near Kolkata in a place called Shivpur. I visit them every year during my summer holidays. In the evenings, uncle and I go for long walks. He shows me interesting and unusual places. Students, interesting means what? Exciting. And unusual means what? Uncommon or asamanya. Okay? Unusual means uncommon. It means asamanya. Okay? So, every year during summer holidays, Sam visits his aunt and uncle's village, which is located near Kolkata, that is Shivpur. Every day evening, his uncle take him for long walks to show him interesting and uncommon places. Right? One day, uncle says, Sam, I have a surprise for you. I want to take you to a big park with many unusual trees, bushes, and plants. It is called the Botanical Gardens. Students, gardens means what? An establishment where plants are grown for scientific study and display to the public. Right? What does botanical garden mean? A big park with many unusual trees, bushes, and plants. It is called the botanical gardens. Right? There, in the middle of this place, is something special. Student, what is the meaning of middle? Middle means madhya, the point or position at an equal distance from the sides or ends of something. Right? So, Sam said, I am very excited. I cannot wait to go there. Excited means what? Utsahit, very enthusiastic and eager. So, one day his uncle wants to give surprise to Sam. So, he wants to take him to a big park with unusual trees, bushes and plants. It is called Botanical Gardens. And Sam was very eager to know about a surprise. Right? At last, it is evening. Uncle and I walk to the botanical gardens. When we reach the middle of the garden, I see a huge tree. Huge means what? Big. Huge means what? Big. And reach means pahachna. Okay? When we reach the middle of the garden, I see a huge tree. I think it is a magic tree. It is one tree, but it looks like 100 trees. Students, here in this picture, you can see this is the middle part of the garden, right? And this is the big magic banyan tree, which is looks like 100 trees, right? So, this is the great banyan tree. It is called a bodgach in Bengali, says uncle. As we walk close to the tree, I notice long thin threads hanging down from its branches. So students, one evening his uncle take him to the botanical garden. When they come to the center of the garden, Sam sees a big tree with long, thin threads hanging down from its branches. Students, it is only one tree, but because of its long, thin threads, it looks like 100 trees, right? So he thinks that it is a big magic tree. Understood? So students, I hope you have understood up to here. We'll see second part of this lesson in the next video. Students, you have to read the lesson thoroughly 2-3 times. Okay? Till then, keep learning. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.